Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In my last video, you saw that I installed openSUSE Slowroll, and what you didn't see was me able to add my own pictures in using the Add Picture button. When I click this, it doesn't work, and the reason for that will become clear very shortly. Now, what does every desktop environment have? Especially the larger desktop environments, including GNOME and KDE. Well, you have a window manager, which is responsible for managing the windows. You have a display manager responsible for logging in, and you have a file manager responsible for moving files around. And the one thing this version of GNOME doesn't have is a file manager. So if I search for Nautilus, it's not there. And if I search for files, it's not there. There is no file manager installed with the GNOME version of openSUSE Slowroll. Now, when I was about to make this video, I was going to say that it wasn't possible to install Nautilus because when you install it, it will give you three options and none of them were particularly good. One breaks your audio, the other breaks something else, and the third option was to not install Nautilus at all. And so my option was going to be to show you how to install Thunar, which in itself also causes problems. But luckily, since the last update, it is now possible to install Nautilus. So this guy is now going to show you how to install Nautilus, and we're going to do it from the terminal, and it's sudo zipper install Nautilus, and we just press return, and that should be it. So if I close this now, so now we can open Nautilus and it should work, and it does. And more importantly, we can go to our change background and we should be able to add a picture in, which we can. So the point of this video is twofold. One, I'm surprised that openSUSE decided to deliver a GNOME version of Slowroll without a working file manager, specifically with GNOME. And at the time, I was thinking about ranting because when you try to install Nautilus, as I said, it wouldn't do it without breaking another part of your system. So that makes me think that openSUSE had deliberately delivered GNOME without a working file manager, which has in itself a knock-on effect. But now it's the flip side of the coin, is they fixed it relatively quickly. So we have to take into account that openSUSE Slowroll is beta, and therefore we're going to have hiccups like this as we go along. So you can't really have a huge rant, but at the same time, if Tumbleweed is cutting edge and Slowroll is supposed to be a little bit more stable because it gets the updates less frequently, you'd think that it would make it better, but it feels to me like you end up having the problems for longer when they occur. So on that note, my next video is going to be getting rid of Slowroll, because I don't think Slowroll's the way forward, and I don't think I could ever love Slowroll. And I'm going to move to Tumbleweed, and I'm going to see if Tumbleweed gives me more or less hassle than Slowroll has in the last week. I think Slowroll, there's an actual problem there, in the sense that if you get a problem with one of the updates, it takes longer for those to actually get fixed. Let me know in the comments if you've had similar problems, but if you do want to use Slowroll and you don't have Nautilus installed, it is easy to install. But that is the end of the video. If you like it, give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Everyday Linux User.